Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Nang ne shakmat ki nong let nong wan ki bana kani ka Jylla Meghalaya. Haba ki dan ka jing temu bandit sa, ha ki Meghalaya House ki beran Kylleng ki Jylla jongkari. Lese ken kam shitam khandiat banyo jaka, kumjo ka jing seru kala kham he. Namar ka Sorkar Jylla nang ne shakmat kalarai ban perkalano iki kendon banyo jakasa bat ban Pynkiew dor ru ye ki bai Kamra. Ya kani karai ka Sorkar kalashim ha ka Jylang juga kanhon menteri ka balalong ha ka artarek mentau banai no pra arja ka kendai. Bat kini ki kendon thamai bat ka jing Pynkiew dor iki bai Kamra kantre kam ha ka Meghalaya House ha New Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Vellore bat Guwahati.
As you all know, the rules for occupation of these Meghalaya houses was last revised in the year 2011, and since then there has been no change in rates of room rent. However, the cost of maintenance of the Meghalaya houses has increased. So keeping this in mind, and also the fact that the cost of materials used in the house has increased, electricity bills have gone up, telephone bills have gone up. Therefore, with all these the cost of these services going up, it was felt necessary to enhance the seat rent of Meghalaya houses of Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Vellore and Guwahati, particularly for non-officials as visitors overstaying so this was done, and this was discussed, and there has been increase in the seat rent. So I will not go to the details, but just very generally I would like to inform that the seat rent has been increased. The next item was regarding the proposal to repeal the supersession of the Meghalaya House Staff Services rules. So this was also taken up, discussed, and was cleared by the cabinet. This was with the intention of ensuring better management of the Meghalaya houses and optimizing the resources. It was therefore felt that we needed to amend the rules for occupation of the Meghalaya houses. So this was discussed, and after that these rules have been passed by the cabinet.